Hello, today I'm going to tell you about Textures.one. Textures.one is a search engine of free CC0 texture and HDRI. You can find PBR textures, HDRI images, plain textures, etc. Textures.one gets this textures from different texture sites like CC0 Textures, 3D Textures, Share Textures, etc. You can reach to the all textures of creators. You can see the creator's logo when you hover. You will enter the creator's website when you click the texture. You can preview maps. And download it. All textures include 1K, 2K, 4K resolution. You can get access Google Drive for download all textures just one click. Become patron and get rewards. You will get early access to unpublished textures when you become patron. Also, you can download all textures or synchronize folder using G Drive application.